Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and welcome back to RysFix. So in my last video guys, I had replaced the speedometer panel of a KTM RC390. And in that video I had told you guys that I will show you how to apply screen protector on the panel glass. So in this video I will show you guys how to apply the screen protector or the screen guard on your speedometer front glass. And that too, this screen guard I got free with my speedometer panel. So come on, let's start the video. So guys, this is the screen protector that I got free along with this panel. Now all the instructions are written on the backside of this. This is like applying a screen guard on your mobile phone guys. This you will have to put on your speedometer panel glass so that it will not get scratched. And after applying this, if the scratches come on the speedometer panel glass, then this screen guard will be scratched and your panel glass will remain safe. So first thing that you'll have to do is open it and take all those things out. Once you take all the things out, let's see what is there inside of the plastic. So the first thing that is come along with this is this lint-free wiping cloth. So first thing is wipe your panel glass with this lint-free wiping cloth. Once you wipe the glass nicely, the next thing that you will have to do is inside the plastic packet, you must have got this wet and dry wipes. So first take your wet wipe, open it, take it out, and with this wet wipe, you will have to wipe the panel glass like this. See that you wipe it nicely, and once you wipe it thoroughly, now it's time to open the dry wipe. Take out the dry wipe and wipe your panel glass thoroughly and get rid of all the wetness which is there on the glass or in the edges or in the corners. And when you are wiping this glass guys, you'll have to make sure that your fingertips are not touching the glass. So all the moisture on this glass you will have to take out now. Once you are done with this, now you will have to get your screen guard. Now this screen guard has two sides. One is back side and one is front side. It will be written on these two stickers here, which is the back side and which is the front side. So first we'll have to open both these stickers. And once you open both these stickers, the first thing you'll have to pull out the back sticker. Once you pull out the back sticker, now comes the most important part, and that is to place this screen guard on the panel glass. We'll have to adjust nicely here guys. Now because there is a front visor here and there are many things on the sides, to position the screen guard properly, it becomes very difficult. So I had to take the screen guard out again and I had to apply it back. This is the reason why I had told you guys in my last video to apply this screen protector before you even start replacing the panel. Because when you apply the screen guard, before you put the panel on the speedometer, it becomes very easy to hold the speedometer panel and apply this guard. So as you guys can see that somehow I managed to position my screen guard properly on the speedometer panel glass. Now they didn't provide a squeegee, so you'll have to use your finger to take out all the air bubbles like this. And once you take out all the air bubbles, now it's time to pull the top sticker out. Once you pull out the top sticker, as you guys can see, I still have some air bubbles left inside. So you'll have to push that air bubble out with your finger like this. Now see that you don't push too hard this glass guys, because underneath your screen guard there is a panel glass. So if you push too hard, then that glass can separate from the panel and go down. So you will have to be very careful there. So take the lint-free wiping cloth and wipe out all the air bubbles like this. And once you take out all these air bubbles, you are done putting the screen guard on the speedometer panel glass. Now you can touch your speedometer glass without any problem. See that you start the speedometer and check everything if everything works fine. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out until we meet again.